Welcome to Cousin's Food Trip. Our menu for today is pancit canton ulam. There are many kinds of pancit canton and we will mix this one. First is you will put a water of 1 gallon in the water and make it smoking. And if it will smoke, you see, it already smoke. Add noodles. You be careful because you will get smoke there. And you will wait for 1 day and it will be cooked. You separate the sauce. You be careful. You stop, look, and listen. This is Chef Pat Joe and my video camera is Budloy. And the choreographer is Marlene. You see? It's there because it's not here. You understand? We'll wait for 1 day and it will be cooked. Oploy. Okay, welcome back to cooking area. We will check if the noodles is cooked already. You will make it, you stir it side by side. And you'll see, it's a noodles, my man. And later, after this, it will be cooked. I will teach you how to make a perfect seasoning sauce of the pancit canton.